What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Glenn Purves, Global Head of Macro at the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week, we're staying selective amid cooling trade conflict and tackling how megaforces can create bright spots across sectors and regions. The latest US-China deal is a major de-escalation in the trade conflict. We stay risk on, monitoring earnings reports to spot opportunities. The 90-day cut to US-China tariffs shows a hard economic rule-shaping policy. Supply chains can't be rewired quickly without disruption. Both nations aim to avoid economic decoupling. We still see tariffs causing further contractions in quarterly activity, but the cumulative impact may be more limited. All Q1 earnings calls so far have discussed moving production to the US or countries on better terms with the US. There are many firms that look set to accept higher input costs, and most companies updating their spending plans are now guiding below consensus forecasts. Yet opportunities persist in certain sectors. U.S. companies started strong in Q1. We like big tech, which continues to reaffirm or increase AI-linked investment plans. In Europe, we see opportunities in the financial sector, which has outpaced the rest of the stocks to 600 this year. On a country level, we prefer Spain. Its growth is strong, it's exposed to sectors that benefit from megaforces, and its stocks are less exposed to U.S. tariffs. Two other pockets of opportunity: Japan stocks and gold. Ongoing corporate reforms in Japan keep us overweight on a currency unhedged basis. Gold has soared, proving to be a better buffer against geopolitical risks than U.S. Treasuries since the April 2nd tariff announcement. Long-term U.S. Treasuries and the U.S. dollar have unusually slid alongside stocks. Under new regulations, U.S. banks will soon be able to treat gold as a high-quality asset on their balance sheet. That could drive demand and make gold a core holding. Here's our market take. We still see tariffs causing further contractions in quarterly activity, but the cumulative impact may be more limited. Meanwhile, megaforces, fiscal spending, and higher rates present select opportunities. For details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in, and if you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com